Alright, picked up my dad. We got a bunch more stuff. Rice cooker in there. We got a water kettle. What else did he bring? Stuff is mostly on the inside. We got an ice chest with some fruits hidden under here. Okay, we got a bunch more. He got tea and other snacks and stuff. Got a half roll of a paper towel. I'm gonna close this up here. What else? We got some jelly snacks. I put some in this fridge. You can see it's at -1 degree Celsius right now. And he got a lot more stuff. So he got his backpack of pickleball stuff. I don't know if we're gonna play pickleball, but he wants to. We'll see. All right, and then his bag of clothes. And I think he has a portable small chair stool in there. And sometimes this isn't close, so I might have to, yep, you see that? Come on, Tesla, don't make it so sensitive. Chop fingers off, I don't care. My fingers aren't in there. If your fingers are in there, you got problems. Look at that. No, I'm gonna push it down myself. There you go. See that? It closed. It just had to try harder. Just smush those fingers. Okay. And move the Cheetos there so he can use his thermos. And he brought a book and a pillow and that other pillow. Oh yeah, I also brought this inflatable neck pillow. So we have some neck pillows.